My name is Izchak Barzilay. I'm a prosthodontist. Well, today's event is about letting people know of our connection with our Ugandan colleagues. We've been going to Uganda for 5 years. This will actually be our 6th year. And in going to Uganda, we've been visiting an area in the southern part of Uganda called Kabale. And from Kabale, we go to multiple small rural villages and we treat patients. And the fellow who's with us tonight is the head of the organization in Kabale. I think it's important that people continue to see him. This year we have a large crowd. Many people have not seen him before, but they have heard that we do this. So this is an excellent opportunity to meet him, to hear his story, his personal story, and his Kihefo story. It's really good working with a group that has everything in line on the ground. We come in being ready to do what it is that we have to do, and we don't need to have difficulties on the ground. We'd like to know that our accommodations is looked after. We'd like to know that our food is looked after and it's good and it's healthy. We'd like to know that our transport is looked after. We'd like to know that patient pool is looked after. We'd like to know that we're being taken in safety from one place to another. So this is now going to be our 6th year going. We're looking at producing dentures in a faster way so that we can produce more for the time that we're there. We've been volunteering with a wonderful group here in Toronto called Bridge to Health Medical and Dental. For the past 5 years I've gone with them. I've been very happy, really a wonderful group of people. But we decided that really this year it's time for us to branch out. It's time for us to create our own foundation, to create our own source of income, to create our own brigade that goes to Uganda, and that's actually what we're planning. We have a lot of support. As soon as we said we were going to do this, the multiple dental companies came on board, other organizations came on board. We're going to produce an organization that may someday partner with other organizations as opposed to just volunteer. Last year when we were in Uganda, we realized that we wanted to be more involved in education, not just giving lectures on the ground, which is what we were doing after our long day. We said to ourselves, why not support a student? Why not put them through their education, cover their costs, almost create a grant or a scholarship for someone who can't afford to go ahead and be taught and pay for it. So we're very excited. This is an annual thing. So every year we will choose someone who will fall under this category. We call it the PA grant. I see this partnership growing. Kihefo is very powerful in Uganda. They have an incredible vision and incredible people. We just touched on the possibility of going to UN refugee camps while we were there. So we hope to be able to grow that. There are other organizations that need our help in Uganda, and we see PA being being the Canadian version of Kihefo, and we see us partnering with them to get to other groups. We all win, and we all feel good at the end of the day.